Really exciting day today on the Birmingham Regional Centre project. We are here today to witness the helicopter lift onto the rooftop of this unique 13-storey building.
What we're doing today is delivering a standby generator to the roof using a helicopter. The reason for doing that is to provide the client resilience in terms of backup power in the event of a power cut.
That backup supply originally was a new transformer within the basement areas, which wasn't available within the timeframes, so we looked to provide that backup supply with the generator on the roof. We are currently situated within the centre of a development with basements. We didn't have the capacity to sit a crane above the top of the basement areas, so the only viable solution was to lift and to land it via a helicopter lift.
So the generator we're lifting today has been broken down into 5 lifts. So all those components get lifted onto a base that we built on the roof last week. We're lifting a base, followed by an engine, followed by a canopy for acoustics, and then 2 attenuators which go on either side.
We managed to get everything done successfully on the day.
We're happy with the results. The generator is now on the rooftop, and well done to the team for organising, planning and executing this to perfection.